I thought I had another wall to do. I was doing this so fast, I almost forgot I did it. Okay, so now I'm going to do the floor. I've got my 4-inch, and I think before I was telling you to use a 3-inch. You can use a 3-inch first until you get used to it, but you ultimately want to go with the 4-inch. You can tell I've used this so long. See, I've worn all this stuff out, and I just use a throwaway one, and then when I get done with the project, I rinse this out with water. Then next time I need it, I use this again. After a while, once it gets down too far, then obviously I use another one. But you don't have to just use it once then throw it away. Okay. Okay, so I'm just going to do each row with my paintbrush, each grout line, okay? I do the grout lines first, and I do those all the way across. Okay, I'm doing the ones left to right first, okay? And I don't want to go as far as I feel comfortable reaching. Now I can do the other ones. I can kind of drag some of this extra and use that, making sure I go around the drain. Okay, and if I think I need some more sealer, I dip in here and put some more on. Okay, now that I have that much, now I just go back and forth. That all the way across. And see, before I think I showed you doing it with a 3-inch, and the first coat, I tried to just coat the grout lines. Well, you just do it this way on both coats, okay? It's much easier, and that's what you end up wanting to do anyways. Okay, so I always work behind, in front of myself, and so I can back up, okay? You can make fast work of sealing your grout, your tile, and this is natural stone, and this is the way I seal stone floors because they're nice and rough. Now, if you have travertine or ceramic tile, you might end up feeling like you can do it a different way, but because this stuff is so rough, I can do it just like this. Back and forth at the last, and that gets it all. I'm almost done with the floor. Now see, there's lines here with a little bit extra. If you don't want all that extra in there, you can kind of take some of it off. But what's going to happen is when it dries, it's going to dry clear. You just don't want to have too much of a buildup, but you're not going to get, if you get a little bit of white on there, you're not going to get enough buildup to where it's going to be milky color because it's not deep enough. The grout lines aren't deep enough. Okay. All right, you want to see some more, I bet. Let's just do a little bit more here. See, I'm only going to do, let's see. Sorry about that. I'm only going to do one more line right here because then I got to go the opposite direction. Okay. I'm just going to do this real quick. Do the grout lines first, now finish it off like that. And if it goes into the other one, you can kind of finish that off. Okay? Just like that. Now, the last bit, how am I going to do that? Well, I just have to kind of resituate this and move this back out. I'm right-handed, so I always have my container on the right-hand side, and that's just a throwaway little paint tray. And I use that every time I need to seal. I don't have to throw it away. Okay, now I'm just going to do the same thing again. With the 4-inch brush, it makes quick go of it. You see? Now I can just kind of put that on the lip right like that and do some more. Man, I'm surprised I haven't gotten any on my nice shoes yet. Usually I wear some crummy shoes, but today I thought I would go with the good ones. And I'm just that good, it seems like, that I haven't gotten one drip on there yet. I say that and something's gonna happen, I know. Something's gonna happen. I like this little knee pad. You see me, you know I use that for just about everything. I don't like using knee pads, you know, that go behind your knee and strap on. You know, they get your pants and it's just, I just don't like them. I'd rather carry this thing around and just kneel down on it. Get to do your little step here. Yeah, okay. There it is. One shower done, the second coat, just like that. Yo. Here's another tip for you. Yes, this video is all about tips when you're sealing your floor. See that? There's the shower head, and if you think yours doesn't drip, well, just to be on the safe side, put a plastic bag around it after you clean your shower out and scrub it and get ready to seal, because the next day you don't want your floor to be wet when you get ready to seal, okay? So I just leave that up there. Whether or not I think that drips or not, it's a good insurance policy. I know you're probably wondering, did I get anything on my shoes? Kaboom. Let's get you in there a little bit closer. Nothing on there. Look at that. That's how good I did. But hey, you might not be as good as me. You never know. Oh shoot, I thought I was done with showers. I've got another one to do right here. Well, time to get busy. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.